Want to hang out with friends but make it fancy like steak and baby back ribs over chikahan? Hay mga cute! Have you tried here at Texas Roadhouse? Kung di pa, eto na ang sign. Nagkayayaan kasi na mag-steak daw, kaya we decided here to dine. Saka na-miss namin itong legendary dinner rolls nila. Mga best sellers ang in-order namin. For appetizer, grilled shrimp and cucumber chops and combo appetizer. Parang dito pa nga lang busog ka na eh. Meron na yan buffalo wings, cheesy jalapeno bites, and potato skins. Plus, ang pasalad ng taon. Then for our mains, first is baby back ribs. Malambot siya at talagang full of the bones. Hindi siya dry katulad ng ibang ribs. Also, we ordered ribeye and grilled shrimp. Ito yung surf and turf version nila. We requested medium for doneness. Ang lambot! You can never go wrong talaga dito pag steak ang usapan. By the way, for every mains, may kasamang dalawang sides. Steak rice and loaded mashed potato yung pinili namin. To complete our meal, we ordered turtle pie. Ito yung social na version ng cookies and cream. Grabe, wala akong masabi sa sarap. Very satisfying talaga dito. Kaya if you haven't tried it here yet, it's time to dine here and try Texas Roadhouse. Bye!